Okay, I just want to start off by saying a big thank you to everybody that's already signed up for an account and started using the services at Fast Forward. I want to say thanks for all your feedback as well. It's really helpful for me. It really helps me to shape the future of the development. So if you've been doing that, please do keep it coming. I really do appreciate it. Also, I've had some feedback off some people saying we really like the look of the website, but we don't understand the services that you're offering. We don't understand what domain names are, and we don't understand what web hosting is. So I just thought I'd do a quick 5 to 10 minute tutorial on how to use Fast Forward services to get yourself a website homepage up and running absolutely free of charge. And just to mention, this little thing over here is a domain name, and this is basically the address of your website. It helps people to find it over the web. And typically you will register one of these. A .co.uk will cost you £3 or £4 a year. A .com might cost you £8 or £9 a year to register. Our domain names are absolutely free of charge. Web hosting is where your website sits on a web server somewhere, and typically a web hosting package will cost you between £3 and £4 a month for a basic hosting package, and then maybe £10–15 a month for professional or business class hosting. And we offer both web hosting and domain names absolutely free. This might be suitable for you if you are maybe a student interested in learning more about HTML and CSS, and you want a bit of space to practice and a domain name to link it to, then this might be for you. If you run a small business, or you're thinking about starting up a business and you want a website, and you don't want the initial outlay, then this might also be for you. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to use our services to get yourself a website front page up and running. You will need a username, and you will need an email address, and yes, this is my personal email address, so please do not spam me. I might edit that out actually, block that out when I do the video. Oh dear, what am I doing? Okay, mail.co. You'll need to choose a password, and you'll need to just validate that. Sometimes I do get these wrong. Nope, there we go. The activation code has been sent. Now all the activation code does is lets us know that you've registered a valid email address. You can still log into your account without the activation code, and you'll be prompted to enter it there. If you do want to register a domain name, then you won't be able to unless you validated it. So I'm just going to open up my email account, and I am going to get that activation code. I'm going to copy that from there, and I'm going to paste it into this box. Do be careful when you are copying and pasting that you don't accidentally put a space, or accidentally pick up another character, because it won't validate, and you'll wonder why. Okay, so we're in. We can reset our password, and we haven't got any domains registered. So let's just say you was a photographer and you was looking for our website called maybe Photo Me. Photo Me, you type it in there, it comes up. It is available. Should we register it? Yes, let's do it. Okay, there we go. We've got that one there. And maybe you want more than one domain. That's absolutely fine. Photo You. Let's check if that's available. Yep, so we can register that. And I think you can register up to 5 domains on xtn.cc. So, taking a quick look at Photo Me, let's manage that. This is the main management panel, where you can manage your files, edit, upload, and delete, set up web forwarding, delete the domain altogether, install a template, or refer a friend. So I'm just going to introduce you to the file manager. Now we can edit these files online and select them and open them in the editor. But today I'm just going to show you how to develop a website front page on your desktop and then upload it to Fast Forward. So we're going to leave there for a minute. There's a really good website called Steve's Templates, and he offers basically free website templates, and they are actually quite good. There's no cost for them whatsoever, as long as you leave a link to him somewhere on the web page, which I think is a small price to pay for quite a good. He offers quite a good service. So I'll just unzip that, and we get this file here. and basically this file contains an index.html page and a style sheet and the images associated with that. So I'm just going to open this, double click on that to open it in Google Chrome, and this is it. This is the template. It's got a website name, and we're going to modify this to contain some of our own content. So I'm going to right click on that and open it with Notepad 2. Now, do not be intimidated when you first open this. There's a lot of code here. It can be intimidating. You look at it all and you think, what does all this mean? All you need to know for today is that anything that's not black is code. Anything that is black is basically website text, and we're going to modify the black bits to say what we want them to say. So you can see here, website name corresponds with website name there. A small website slogan here corresponds with a small website slogan here. So we can actually see the bits that we want to edit. So we'll call this photo me, and we'll change the slogan to, I don't know, the best photography studio, whatever. Control and save that, and then we'll open up that in Chrome again, press F5 to refresh that, and there you go. It's really easy to do, really simple, and then you can go through this and you can change this content to your own content. You know, maybe change that special offers, you know, book now. We'll save that and we'll open that up in there. Let's have a look. Special offers, book now. We can see here at the top, free business template hash 47. We might want to get rid of that, so where's that? That's in the title. Free business template. Change this to photo me. The only other thing here is these. You don't need to have the full HTTP address. You can just have home equals index.html. Products, we'll just change that to products.html. I'll do another tutorial on how to create different pages later on. And then services. These pages that I'm linking to here actually need to exist, and we'll cover that later. So maybe change this to welcome, and then, you know, all this can be your text to go here. We'll save that, preview that, and then we will press F5 and you can put all your stuff in there. So obviously you can spend a lot more time doing that and invest a bit more effort in doing that. I'm literally just going to show you how to get it live. So as you can see here, this is basically on my desktop. It's a file on my C drive. What we're going to do now is we're going to deploy that to our web space so that people can access that from anywhere. Now the only other thing is there's a slight problem at the moment with the file manager, in that it doesn't allow you to create separate directories as yet. So what you're going to need to do is all the images that you need for this are going to have to go in the same directory. So I'm going to drag a marquee around these. I'm going to press Control and copy when they're all highlighted. I'm going to put them in the same place as our index page. Then just quickly open up the style sheet, open that with Notepad 2, and you can see the style sheet is looking for images in the folder images. We will not have a folder images, so we need to do a find and replace, and we need to replace images with // That means all the images are in the same directory, they're not in the image folder, and we'll replace all those. Very good. So press Ctrl and S to save that style sheet, and then we'll go back to fast forward and we will upload those images. Choose a file. Let's start with background. Open, upload. choose a file, button, open, upload. And we're just going to upload all the files associated with that. Okay, there we go. Right index, login button, upload, byte page background, upload. What else have we got? The right menu, open that, upload. That's the bottom part of the right menu, upload. Open that, upload it. Now on the bottom line now, upload, upload. Style sheet needs to go up. After that we've got two more bits. Upload, choose that, and that's that. I think that's everything. Okay, so that we've basically uploaded all those files to our web space. We go home and we look at Photo Me. There we go. We can see that that is now. That's our website. That's our domain name, and that's that. And you can email that to all your friends and say, "Have a look at my website. Isn't it great?"